So in general, let me raise the question, do we like the idea of selling the rights provided by the EU treaties? My answer is certainly not. Citizenship must not be up for sale. The Commission nevertheless expects from the Member States that they act in full awareness of the consequence of their decisions, should lead Member States to take account of the impact of decisions they take in the field of nationalities on other Member States and on the Union as a whole. And that is why the Commission follows any developments concerning the citizenship in the Member States very narrowly. That is why I sincerely say here and now, citizenship cannot be taken lightly. It is a fundamental element of our Union and, honourable members, one cannot put a price tag on it.